I know you've seen videos like this. Now, this type of anime characters are popular in comedy skits, and you can see this channel here. They are raking in views, 4.8 million views, 1 million views. If you check this other channel, you can see 2.5 million views, 3.2 million views, 1.3 million views, 6.4 million views. These guys are raking views, and they're also making money from it. I'm going to show you how to easily create these videos for free. You don't need to record your voice, or you don't even need your voice for this kind of thing. You don't need to show your face. This is an easy hack. My name is Charles, and I'm glad to have you here. The first thing you want to do is to go to Google and search for Adobe Express. Now, once you get there, click on the result that you have, and then it's going to take you here. Click on Get Adobe Express for free. Once you click on it, click on Continue with Google, or click on Create an Account to create an account. It's free. You can get started for free anyway. Once you've done that, you've signed into your account, it's going to take you to the dashboard. Now, once you get to the dashboard, it's very easy. You scroll down. Once you scroll down, you're going to see Animate from Audio. You can click this, or just click on the plus sign here, and then click on Quick Actions and click on Animate from Video. Once you click on it, this is going to show up, and then you choose the character that you want. There are a lot of characters here to choose from. There are a lot of funny characters you can use for your animation. Choose the one that you resonate with. But if you want to go with the popular character, you scroll down and look for Sticky. Choose Sticky. You can reduce it. If it looks so big, you can reduce it. Once you have done this, next we are going to look for an audio to use, and the normal way to do this will be to head over to 11 Labs, generate an audio, or put in a text and all that to generate an audio. But we are not going to do that. You're not going to go to 11 Labs. You're not going to pay money to 11 Labs to generate audio. We are not going to use any audio generation tool in this video that we're going to create now. We are going to be taking the easy way out, which is jumping on a river that is flowing. That is what you want to do, jumping on trends online. This is a secret sauce that a lot of creators are using to get millions of views. Now, it is important to note that this type of video can work on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. So don't try to limit yourself to one platform. And this can work for you even if you're using a mobile phone. You don't need to use a laptop like this to do it, all right? Just for the purpose of this tutorial and for the fact that it's going to show everything properly, that's why I'm using a PC to do this. Now, like I said, the secret sauce is to find trending funny videos. The videos should have not more than 3 character rows, and I'll show you what I mean. If you've not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, like this video. This is your opportunity to subscribe before it's too late. Subscribe to be among the first 20,000 subscribers on this channel, all right? Also, like this video. Now, back to the secret sauce. Now, go to TikTok and search for funny videos. You can search for funny videos Nigeria, funny videos Ghana, funny videos USA, depending on the country that you want to or the country that you're targeting. You get a lot of results from there. Now, the secret here is to find a video that is viral. Look for a viral interview video, because most likely it's going to perform well since it has a lot of views.
What is your gender? My gender? I'm a mechanic. Mechanic. That is your gender, yeah.
Now, since we found this, what we're going to do is to download this and use this particular video. After downloading this, what you have to do is to go to Google and search for video to audio converter. You just search for that on Google. It's going to give you a lot of results, so you can choose from that, or just go to freeconvert.com and then upload your video that you've downloaded. So you're going to upload the video, click on choose files from device. You're going to click this, and then we are going to upload the video. So we have uploaded the video, and click on convert and wait for it to convert. Once it has converted, we're going to click on download to download the audio file. Now, why are we doing this? I'm going to show you. Just keep watching, because this is an important part. Don't miss this part unless you've missed everything. So once we've done this, the next thing we're going to do is to go back to Adobe Express. All right, so once you have done that, the next thing we're going to do is to change the background to a green screen. I'm also going to explain why you have to do this, and this part is very important so that you can have flexibility when editing your video, when joining everything together. So we are going to We can upload a green background or just click on the color scheme here and choose green. All right, click on custom color and then choose the green background. This green background is nice. Choose the green background. We select this and this is what we're going to have. Now, before we download it, we need to download it with this green background. So what we did earlier on is we went ahead of it. So what we're going to do is to upload this again. We are supposed to download it in the green background or on the green background, not on the other background. So we'll upload the audio again and download it on this green background. So once you have it on the green background,
What is your gender?
it's going to look like this. Then you download it. All right, and then you click on back. We are going to go back and then we're going to change this character. We are going to add the second character. Remember on the video we have two characters, the interviewer and the interviewee. So we are going to look for the second character. All right, so we are going to use this guy as the second character. All right, we use this guy and instead of clicking on preview, we can click on replace audio. If you click on preview, it's going to take a longer time. For some reason, I don't understand why Adobe acts like this. If you click on preview, it's going to take a longer time. Let's see. Oh, it didn't take a longer time this time around. So once you have this, what you're going to do is to click on download. You're going to download this other video. We can play it.
What is your gender? My gender. I'm a mechanic. Mechanic. That is.
So once we are done with this, we click on download. After downloading it, we are going to repeat the same process if you have the third character or the fourth character. All right, you just choose your character and then preview the video, download it, and just keep repeating that process depending on the number of characters, just like I said. Note, when changing the characters, keep the background the same. Don't change it. I'll show you why you shouldn't change it. The next step will just put everything together and make it a very good video. Now let's move over to the next step. This final step would involve you to open CapCut. So we are going to open CapCut, all right? And then what we are going to do is we import the animated videos that we have. Click on import and then we import the videos. What we are going to do is to add them to the timeline. So we import the audio file also, and then we bring in the audio here, which would guide the video. So we mute the both videos and then play it. All right, you see. Now let's not get caught up with all this. The first step is to click here, click on cutout, click on chroma key, click on color picker, and then click this. Click here. You can see it has taken out the background, the green background, which is what we want. And then we click the next video. We click on the chrome key. Let's select color picker. And then, yep, we pick this color. It has removed the background for both. Now, something is missing, which is a background. We are going to resolve this. We are going to go to Lexica and then search for Cartoon 2D Room. We'll search for this Cartoon 2D Room. It's going to give you a lot of results. What we're going to do is to choose one that matches the kind of animation that you have. So I'm going to choose this. I'm going to choose this image and I'm going to download it. So I'm going to save this image. So I'm going to go back to CapCut and import the image. So I've imported the image. I'll just take it to the timeline and I'll bring it to the bottom. All right. Somewhere here, I'll take this up. I'll expand it to match the video length. Now you can see it doesn't really fit, but I'll expand this to fit properly. So what I'm going to do is to reduce the size for both of them, for both this guy right here and this one in front. Reduce the size. Okay, I'll leave the size like this. And then leave this, and I'll show you why this is like this. Don't worry, this would all make sense once I'm done. All right, now you can be flexible with this and make yours better. This is just for the purpose of this tutorial. Now what we're going to do next is to play the audio and cut it accordingly. All right, let's play.
What is your gender?
Now this is the first part. We're going to cut this, cut it here also, and we are going to take, we're just going to match each video to this. We're going to delete that first part because the interview didn't say anything. We're going to delete that first part. Okay, let's play this.
What is your gender? My gender. My gender.
Okay, we're going to cut this part. We're just going to separate it accordingly so it will fit who's saying, who's speaking. The video should focus on who's speaking. That's what we're trying to do. So we're going to have something like this. This person speaking here.
What is your gender?
So what we can do now is to delete this audio that we added. This audio was just a guide to help us, and then unmute these parts. All right.
What is your gender? My gender. I'm a mechanic. Mechanic. That is your gender. Yeah. What is your gender? My gender.
So we are done. What we have to do next is to export it. So before exporting, there's one last thing that you can do. What we're going to do to create some form of emphasis. So we are going to just make this particular one bigger and make it feel like, oh, make it bigger here, and this one we also make it, you know, somewhat bigger, that particular clip, to create some form of emphasis. Now we export. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, very important. Then we export and we have our video. We're going to play the video for you to see. All right, let's play the video to see what we have.
What is your gender? My gender. I'm a mechanic. Mechanic. That is your gender. Yeah.
So obviously, this is just for the purpose of this tutorial, done under a few minutes. You can spend time making your own better, creating different angles, different characters, different anime characters. And if you have questions, if you don't understand anything, if you want more insights on certain tools, just drop it in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel if you're new. You're seriously missing out if you're not part of this channel. And you know what? If you like this video, I have a special gift for you. Like this video and comment in the comment section, I've liked this video, and I'm going to give you a special access to Branions. Next, check this video out here. I'll see you in this video. Seriously.